Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I want to say a big thank you to you. Thank you on clicking on this video, and if you are returning, I want to say thank you to you for returning back to my channel. If you are new here, I make videos on hair, makeup as well as DIY. And if you like what you see, please press the subscribe button down below and also press the bell down below so that you get a notification whenever I upload a video. Today's video is going to be a DIY. It's going to be a simple DIY that you can use to get rid of dental plaque. So let's get right into this video. You're going to be needing 3 simple ingredients that you're going to be needing today. Is going to be a baking soda. Baking soda is known for a lot of stuff. You're going to be needing salt, just a tiny bit of salt, and water. So I'm going to show you guys how to mix it together to make sure that you get the right consistency. So you're going to take a little bit of salt. No, let's go with the baking soda first. You're going to take like 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Okay, let's see. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you're going to pour it in your bowl like this. Then you're going to take a little tiny bit of salt. You don't want it to be so much salt, and you're going to pour it in the baking soda and mix them together. And you're going to take just a tiny bit of water because you don't want it to be watery. You want to have that thick consistency. So I'm going to pour this in here, and I'm going to try and mix it together. I don't know if you can see, I'm mixing it together just like this. I think I will need a little bit of more water because it's very thick. I don't want it that thick as well. I don't want it this. I'm just going to add 1 more tablespoon of baking soda because I don't think this is going to be enough, and just a tiny bit of salt, and 1 tablespoon of water so that I get that consistency that I want. See? And I'm going to mix everything together just like this. So this is the consistencies that I get. So you don't want it to be liquidy. So then I'm going to take what's a little bit watery. So this is the consistency that you should get, like this. Should be something like this. So now that I'm done, I'm just going to take my toothbrush and I'm going to start brushing my teeth, guys. Brush my teeth. You can brush it longer, and yeah, that should help with removing plaque from your teeth. I do this like 2-3 times a week. It's really good to keep your teeth clean, and also it helps your teeth stay white because baking soda has a lot of benefit for your teeth. It keeps it white. If you tried it and it works for you, leave a comment down below and let me know. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.